In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add trend lines to scorecards in Looker Studio. Trend lines help visualize the trajectory of your data, making your reports more insightful and professional. Let's dive in step by step. First, open your web browser and log into Looker Studio. Once you're on your dashboard, navigate to the report that contains the scorecard you want to enhance. Click on the scorecard to bring up the Properties panel on the right-hand side. Make sure you're on the Setup tab within this panel. Here, scroll down until you find the Sparklines section. Sparklines are mini charts embedded in your scorecard, giving a quick visual of trends over time. In the Sparklines section, click Add Dimension. From the list of available dimensions, choose a date dimension. This could be day, week, or month, depending on the granularity you need. Selecting a date dimension tells Looker Studio to plot the data over time. Once selected, a tiny trend line will appear on your scorecard. This visual makes it easy to see whether your metrics are rising, falling, or staying steady at a glance. And that's it. You've successfully added a trend line to your scorecard, enhancing both the clarity and visual appeal of your report. Thanks for watching and keep exploring Looker Studio to take your data storytelling to the next level.